Welcome back, everybody. My latest project is an intersection of a few of my hobbies. We got 80s toy collecting, random RC stuff, and of course Lego. So these are two Cobra H.I.S. tanks from the 80s G.I. Joe cartoon. We got the regular version and we got the Arctic one over here on the right. And both of these are based around the Lego Tracked Racer set. I took that set and I significantly tightened up the spacing between the treads, and then I redid the bogey geometry so that the tracks have that characteristic triangular layout. Then I went into Lego Digital Designer and I drew up two cabs for them. I did the white one first, and then I discovered that the dark blue color is a little bit rarer, and so I had to do some part substitutions here and there to keep the cost of this one down. They both got opening cockpits that'll fit your regular full-size G.I. Joe. And they both go together. They're pretty rugged. No really tricky building techniques. And the blue one uses the regular power functions that came with the Tracked Racer set. So we've got the little IR receiver in the back and then the regular Lego controller. And this is just kind of on-off control. So we got, each lever controls each tread. And so you can go backwards and you can go forwards. And usually when you go forwards and stop, the Cobra designers must have overlooked the center of gravity of this thing, but it has a tendency to tip over quite a bit. And that's kind of hard to get around with the on-off style control. So for the Arctic version, I tried out a new product that I found called the SBrick. It's a third-party little controller which is compatible with all the stock Lego power functions, but instead of using IR, it's connected to your phone with Bluetooth. So I'll open up the app. What this does is it gives you full proportional control of each one of the little motors. So for the turret, you can go back and forth. There's a gimbal for steering, so I can go backwards and forwards, and I can control it really precisely. I can start and stop pretty gently, and just in general, it's a lot easier to drive around than the regular IR version. For this one, I also incorporated a stud shooter. So I'll shoot this and then promptly lose all the studs in my house. But it's a pretty cool little effect, and it kind of adds to the playability of the tank. So this SBrick is new to me, but it's got a lot of potential. I think I'll be using it in a few other builds. And with that's kind of it. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing more Lego stuff on my channel. I do a lot of custom Lego builds, and I can share more of those with you guys if you're interested. I left some additional kind of tank driving footage at the end for you guys to check out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.